Greetings all and welcome to Citizen Hour, the platform where we speak truth to power. This program is here to expose the hypocrisy of the clerics that are talking about Islamic law, Sharia law, and all of this. And they are supporting the stealing, the land grab that is being done by these terrorists that are supported by politicians, specifically in Nigeria now I'm speaking about. I'm here to expose the hypocrisy of this Sheikh Gumi, Sheikh Jingir, whatever they call themselves. They are only interested in one thing: grabbing the land. Here's the proof. They say they want Sharia law. They want Sharia law to be applied in Nigeria. Well, I'm going to read you something. And as I read it, I'm going to be showing you pictures of what the people are doing that is going against what I'm reading, so that you can understand that these clerics are totally, they're a bunch of liars. They are not following the Sharia law, and we maintain this. We do not want Sharia law in Yoruba land. Yoruba land is for Yoruba people, and we will decide the laws we want, not an imposition. Let me read this to you. Under Sharia law, classical Islamic jurisprudence, right? Fiqh, whatever you call it, FIQUH, a herder generally held financially liable for crop damage caused by their livestock at night if they were negligent in penning or guarding them. However, owners are typically not liable for damage caused during the day if the animals wandered while grazing under normal custom, because farmers are expected to guard their fields by day. That's one. Now, the next thing. It says here, classical rulings on day and night damage. Daytime grazing. The majority of the classical jurists reference prophetic traditions establishing that owners are not liable for daytime damage by unrestrained livestock, placing the primary responsibility on farmers to protect their crops during working hours. Nighttime damage. Herders are required to secure and pen their family animals at night. If a herder fails to do so, and the cows break into a farm and destroy crops overnight, the owner of those cows is liable, fully liable, to pay financial compensation, demand, for the loss. And then, here is one thing I want to bear in mind. Intent or negligence. If a herder intentionally guides or releases cattle onto someone else's land during the day and knowing it will cause destruction, liability applies immediately regardless of the time. Now, what they are doing with the cows is deliberate. It says intent or negligence, but you won't hear any sheikh talk about this negligence of the actions of those who are taking the cows onto a farmer's land and destroying it. That is the hypocrisy. That is what we are here to expose. Please share this broadcast. What are your thoughts on this? This is why we say no to Sharia, because they talk about Sharia law, but they don't care about those laws. They want the people's land. Let's have your thoughts. You're listening to Citizen Hour, the platform where we speak truth to power. Thank you, and bye for now.